Hi there, it's me again, Julie. So now let's talk about editing and account names in QuickBooks Online. Alright, so in QuickBooks Online, in using QuickBooks Online, sometimes it's a good idea to edit default account names to actually make them more appropriate or easily identifiable for your clients. So, this can help your clients avoid errors such as posting transactions to the wrong accounts. All right, for us to do that, let's dive into our QuickBooks Online account. And to edit an account name, all you have to do is click the gear icon and then chart of accounts. All right, so we have here our chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. So all you have to do is to find the account to rename. Like for example, we have here the checking account and it named checking. So all you have to do to edit this one is go here in the action column and then click the drop down arrow and then click edit. All right, so we have here the edit account panel. So as you can see here, we have here the account name. So all you have to do is to highlight this one and then edit. So it's up to you if what kind or what name you will going to input in your account name center. So in my case, I would like to rename this account name, the checking account name to, like for example, the bank of my client is a BPI account. So for him to be easy to identify the checking account, I would like to rename the account name to checking dash BPI. Then the last four number or the last four digit number of the bank account of my client, like for example 1234. So that's it, that's the new account name for the checking account of my client. And when you're done, just select save. All right, so as you can see here, the name is already been replaced to checking dash BPI 1234, the one that we have made earlier. So that's it. That's how easy to edit an account names in QuickBooks Online. All right. Thank you for watching.